If you have a carpeted basement with loads of valuable materials, whatever they may be, from kids' toys to collectibles, you're going to want to make sure you have not only a sub pump but a backup sub pump in case the electricity fails. So in this video, I'm going to just give you a visual of my system that I have. Here it is. You can see to the left we have a black box containing my 12-volt battery that runs the backup sub pump. I will put a link in the description below for the backup sump pump. Please note that the battery is not included. The battery sits atop a wooden frame which I made. I didn't want the battery to be contacting the cement floor. And coming out of the floor we see three vertical PVC pipes. The biggest one to the right there is the radon, and the other two are the sub pumps, one for the primary and one for the battery operated backup sub pump. So let's get a little closer look. The battery operated, the backup sub pump comes with this black casing into which you can put the 12-volt battery. So you drop the battery in there and there's a red and a black cord or cable that you connect to the battery terminal. And then you're going to plug the unit into the wall itself. So it'll come equipped with this little adapter, and this makes sure that while the electricity is on, there's a constant trickle charge going to the battery, making sure that it's at a full charge at all times. If you happen to lose power for a couple of hours and your unit's running just on battery power, this thing will charge it right back up for you. There are limitations on a trickle charge, however, so make sure you read up on that. Now we can get a little closer, peek down inside the sub pump pit itself. I put a plexiglass window on it and sealed it up. I can't remove it for you. It does get a little messy when those sub pumps are on and working. Lots of water that kind of stains the underside of that. But this is my system. I sealed it up so no radon or anything can come out. So we're definitely nice and tight. If I did need to get in there, I would just simply undo these bolts around the perimeter, and I would slide this black lid just kind of up over the PVC pipes. So this is the primary PVC pipe that was originally installed when we moved in, so that was already there. You can see it came with a check valve as shown. This makes sure that when water's pumped up, it can't drain back down. So it's a one-way valve, and it comes up and exits the house after a sharp 90-degree turn. Alright, so when I installed the backup sub pump, I had to go out and buy extra PVC pipe. I think this was a 1.5-inch PVC pipe at the local hardware store, and I picked up an extra check valve to fit it. So here's the check valve, same concept as the primary that I just showed you. And I had to make these cuts myself, and I just used some PVC glue and primer. So the purple color is the primer, and there's glue on the other side there. And I'll put a link in the description below there as well. But you can see I had to buy several fittings and make several cuts to make sure that all fit and aligned. And I just fed it right into the primary drain tube that you can see there at the top of the screen. So the backup drain line is running into the primary, and it all goes out together. It's a beautiful system overall. I can sleep really well knowing that everything's backed up in the event the power fails during a storm or something. Got everything sealed up nice and tight. And I even have a little window there to check on everything, make sure both units are working properly. So hope this video has been helpful for you. Thank you so much.